How to mark the text when the text is actually in the background. If you are working with digital notebooks or on digital readings, usually the text is in the background here, and so students can't just click on it and underline. But they can still mark the text, and there's a few things they can do. To circle key details and keywords, maybe, they can go to the shape box, add a circle. Notice it hides the word when you just put it in there, and that's okay. That's just to get started. They'll then come over to the fill color, which looks like a paint bucket, and go to transparent. Notice now you have it here, but if you just leave it this way, sometimes it's hard to see. So what they'll want to do is go to the border color, which is your pencil icon, and you can change a color. You can also change the weight of it, and that's the border weight, and choose the weight of it. So that's a way for them to add circles. That's one way. Another way they can do it is go to the select line tool here and choose scribble, and they can then circle the words that they want to do that way. So here I can use my cursor and I'm circling the word freehand. And again, I can choose my color and choose my weight. And so they can do their circles that way. So two ways to add circle and circle key words. What you can also do is they can underline them. They can use the line key, and you can have them underline the information, key details. And again, they would want to change the color and change the weight. So that's with the line tool. But just like with the circle, they can also do the scribble and change it that way. And again, change the weight and change the color. So they can freehand it or they can have the line. Lastly, if you want them to highlight information that from their reading, they can still highlight. What they'll want to do is choose the shape tool and choose the rectangle. And they can go over the words. And again, notice how it blocks it out. This time though, you don't want it to go away. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the fill color and you're going to come down here to custom. And from custom, you can actually choose the color you want. So they can come in here, they'll choose a color. Okay, so here shows you the color, but if they just choose that, notice it's still blocked out. What they then need to do after they've chosen the color, they have to change this transparency here. And usually about halfway to the bottom third is a good transparency to have. And when they click on that and change that, notice you can still see the blue, but now you can see the words through it. So you can have them highlight key things in 3 different colors depending on what they're looking at. If they're doing like a compare and contrast, maybe highlight one topic in yellow and the other one in blue, or vice versa, however you want to do it. But that's how they can still mark the text even though the reading is in the background here.
Thank you for watching another Adventures in iSTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in iSTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.